Hello everyone, my name is Dan Wildman, and today we'll be searching for nature sounds. Yeah, are we sure this thing's on? And here we are at one of the Great Lakes of Wisconsin. Excuse me, sir, we're looking for nature sounds. Have you seen any?
I have not seen any sounds. I've heard a few though. There,
So there are nature sounds out here.
oh yeah, there's definitely nature sounds. There's the eagle call, the loon call, the barking spider call sometimes. So
That's good to know because we've been on the search for nature sounds and haven't found any, so. I still don't hear anything. I don't know, man. We've been out here for hours. We haven't found any sounds. Wait. Do you hear that? It's coming from over here. Wait, what's that up there? Wait, sir, excuse me. Excuse me, sir. What in God's green earth? I think this is the sound. Well, it's taken us many hours, but we finally found the sounds of nature.